Hey guys, we're gonna grab some chili for my mom's adobo today. We're also gonna grab some basil. This is basil, this is chili. There's a difference. Yay.
It caramelized. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel at the intersection where food, travel, and arts meet. Today we're going to show you a very simple dish. When you hear this dish, you will think about Philippines, the flavors of the Philippines. Actually, I'm talking about adobo. It's not adobo, it's adobo. It's the same thing though, but it is pronounced as adobo. And in our local dialect, sometimes it's pronounced as adobo. It's gonna be a one-pot dish, but it's gonna be very easy. I'm gonna show you how to make adobo 101, the very basic of adobo, and I will show you my twists. It means so many twists of my adobo. All right, let's get started. For the basic adobo, adobo can be pork, chicken, even eggplant, even string beans. For the basic adobo, we are going to use pork. And for the twisty adobo, we are going to use the chicken. So first for the basic adobo, we have the pork, 1 bulb of garlic, half of this onion, Okay, for the twisty adobo, we are going to use chicken wings. We need, of course, the chicken wings, 1 bulb of garlic, half of this onion, all the wings I loved before. Some garlic. Hey guys, it's time to taste. All right, what do you want?
This one.
I'm joining you because I'm so hungry already.
I just want to try the pork.
Okay, I want to try the chicken.
I like pork.
I want to use my hand.
Why? Do you wash your hand at least? The cat wants some too.
Yeah. Oh my god. So good.
Really melts in your mouth. Right when it enters your mouth. It's so soft and tender. So yummy.
A chicken falls off the bone. Literally. It's so tender. It tastes like fruity because of the kombucha.
The pork tastes more vinegary, but it still has that sweetness that I really like.
I like it.
The chicken's really good too.
You know why adobo is so popular in the Philippines?
It's the easiest thing to make.
Sometimes, yeah. But there's another reason why.
It has really good flavor.
Of course. But years before, not a lot of people have refrigerator. So when you make adobo, the food stays longer because of the vinegar.
Makes sense.
And putting rice wine on adobo, I figured that it stays more longer. And since before we don't have a refrigerator, if adobo stays in normal temperature or room temperature, it tastes better the next day. No. The chicken one, we dried up the sauce. So it caramelized.
Caramelized. Have some rice.
It caramelized very well. But the pork one, we leave a little bit of sauce there because that's the usual adobo.
Very saucy.
Yeah, very saucy.
Sauce.
Right?
I like the sauce.
You know that it's very easy to make and it's very tasty. And all the ingredients are always available. So, time to make your own adobo at home.
And you'll know it's very good because I can't stop eating.
Yep, and this is good for a quick meal for families, big or small. And this is also good for people that are working or for people that are in school but want to make their own food in their dormitory or in their apartment. One more?
One more. Did you even eat the pork?
Right there.
Yeah, have some pork.
I like the chicken.
Just grabs the entire thing.